Do you know how to say thank you in Spanish? Most people know gracias, but there's more.
In this episode, we'll learn how to say thank you, how to be polite, and how to respond naturally.
Let's start with 5 ways to say thank you, from simple to expressive. Number 1, gracias. Just thanks. The most common and universal.
Number 2, muchas gracias. Thanks a lot. A bit more enthusiastic.
Number 3, muchísimas gracias. Many, many thanks. For strong appreciation.
Number 4, mil gracias. Literally 1,000 thanks. It's poetic and warm.
Number 5, te lo agradezco. I appreciate it. More formal or emotional.
Now let's see 5 ways to respond. You're welcome or no problem. Number 1, de nada. You're welcome. Simple and polite.
Number 2, no hay de qué. There's nothing to thank me for.
Number 3, no es nada. It's nothing. Used when you want to downplay the help.
Number 4, con gusto. With pleasure, common in Latin America.
Number 5, ATI. Thanks to you. Used when returning gratitude.
Now let's hear a short dialogue using these expressions. Muchas gracias por tu ayuda.
De nada, Lucía.
En serio, te lo agradezco mucho.
No hay de qué. Let's repeat each line slowly. And you try too.
Muchas gracias por tu ayuda. Thanks a lot for your help.
De nada, Lucía. You're welcome, Lucía.
Te lo agradezco mucho. I really appreciate it.
No hay de qué. There's nothing to thank me for.
Quick review time.
Gracias. Thanks.
Muchas gracias. Thank you very much.
Muchísimas gracias. Many thanks.
Mil gracias. 1,000 thanks.
Te lo agradezco. I appreciate it.
And the replies.
De nada. You're welcome.
No hay de qué. No need to thank me.
No es nada. It's nothing.
Con gusto. With pleasure.
Atai. Thanks to you.
Buen trabajo. These phrases will help you sound warm and respectful.
Nos vemos.
See you next time. Let's practice with a new short conversation, this time at a café. Un café, por favor.
Claro. Aquí tiene.
Muchas gracias.
No es nada.
De verdad, se lo agradezco mucho.
Con gusto. Now let's break it down and repeat.
Un café, por favor. A coffee, please.
Claro. Aquí tiene. Sure. Here you go.
Muchas gracias. Thank you very much.
No es nada. It's nothing.
Se lo agradezco. I appreciate it. Formal.
Con gusto. Gladly.
These expressions are part of daily life in Spanish. They help you connect with people.
Being polite isn't just nice. It makes your Spanish sound natural.